we began to explore in last year's DPRM. Throughout this month, our knowledge sharing activities will delve into how we can harness global megatrends and the momentum of climate change action to expand and protect the middle class, ensuring it remains a cornerstone for national progress. Today, we welcome our distinguished panel members who will share their insights on the role of the Filipino middle class in the nation's development and multi-sectoral strategies we can employ to ensure resilience and inclusive growth. I thank our panelists, Dr. Jose Ramon Albert, Senior Research Fellow at PIDS, Undersecretary Rosemary Dillon of the National Economic Development Authority, Attorney Marco L. Sardillo, Executive Director of Asian Society Philippines, and Dr. Daniela Brown, Country Director of the Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, for their insight that will deepen our understanding and appreciation of the opportunities ahead of us. I also wish to express my sincerest appreciation to our DPRM steering committee members for collaborating with us for this important celebration. To our partners, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, National Economic and Development Authority, Department of Interior and Local Government, Civil Service Commission, Philippine Information Agency, Presidential Management Staff, Department of Budget and Management, Senate Economic Planning Office, Congressional Policy and Budget Research Department. Thank you so much for your continued support in the yearly DPRM. We are also grateful to the Commission on Higher Education, Bangsamoro Planning and Development Authority, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Department of Information and Communications Technology, Department of Trade and Industry, and Technical Education and Skills Development Authority for accepting our invitation to be part of the DPRM Steering Committee this year. Lastly, I thank our friends from the media for their support. We value you as a partner in knowledge dissemination and advocacy. To close, I invite you all to watch this video discussing the theme of this year's DPRM. Thank you very much.